Hello my friends, it's May 31st, 2021, and a few minutes ago the bees started spilling out of here. There's like a waterfall of bees off there. It's a fire drill for a swarm. They don't seem to be going anywhere, but they're all in the grass down there. Landing on my hand, sorry. Yeah, I thought it was interesting. I pulled 5 full frames of brood and eggs and larvae and all the queen cells I could find. There was a few 2 supersedure cells already capped and some swarm cells being made. I put those all in this box. These ones are coming and going. They found their way around in a few days they've been in there. They have queen cells in there and they seem to be doing alright. These other boxes is booming. It's flooded with bees. So I'm thinking I didn't take enough out. So I'm going to have to go back in tomorrow morning. Or after they come out to go flying, I guess. And go through it again. Make sure there's no swarm cells. Maybe do another split if I have to. Kind of low on equipment to do that, but I mean, I'd rather keep these bees and have them flying everywhere. It was pretty neat to see though. It's like they were just piling out of there. There's even a little bit of a mist in the air from all of it. Yeah, right in the middle of the dandelion flow here. Nectar all around. My apple trees are blooming too. Yeah, it's either a fire drill or something got them all excited. Well, they're just everywhere. I thought it was neat. Thought I'd share it with y'all. I'll be going in here and make sure they don't swarm in the morning. But yeah, hope everyone's doing well wherever you are, whenever you watch this. Peace.